That's right. Much needed rainfall across the region. Most spots haven't picked up much rain at all so far this month. I know there's been a few isolated areas, but that's about to change as we go into tonight. Now, as far as the severe threat goes, what I'm concerned mostly about is some gusty wind with these thunderstorms. Also, brief heavy rainfall. Yes, I'm actually saying that. It's been a while. Let's go ahead and take a look at conditions on Doppler radar tonight across eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania. Get right to these thunderstorms that I'm talking about. Yeah. Not a whole lot of them across Trumbull, Mahoning, or Columbiana counties right now, but I have been tracking one shower that's now moving through northeastern Mercer County. Now, I do have lightning turned on right now, and I think we'll start to see some flickers of lightning out of this storm, but it's lifting north out of Sandy Creek, heading up toward Cochranton and southern Crawford County. So moving northward, but heavy rainfall along I-79 around the Sandy Creek area. I just threw a tracker on there a few minutes ago, close to an inch an hour. Now, with that cell as it moves out. Here's what I'm concerned about for later this evening. Now, you'll notice this first batch did spread out and fall apart just west of New Philly, but keeping an eye on these bigger clusters that are on westward now, south of Sandusky, rolling along I-80 and 90 there on the Ohio Turnpike there out to northwestern part of the state. So these thunderstorms still have to push through this evening. Gusty wind, heavy rainfall will be possible. I showed you with Future Tracker a few minutes ago how those will move on through. We're going to get back to that here in just a second. As far as the cool air goes, it's not too far away. It moves in later tonight into tomorrow. That'll also bring the end to the threat of some of those stronger thunderstorms for us. Right now, temperatures right around 80 degrees in most spots this evening. The other story this afternoon compared to what it has been for a while, the dew point temperature is climbing. You may have noticed more humidity out there this evening. That too will start to change as we go into tomorrow with those dew point temperatures in the low 70s. So let's get through this evening. Here's a look at 8 o'clock tonight. Again, the risk of showers and storms will stay in my forecast. I'm going to keep a close eye on these thunderstorms this evening. Could produce gusty wind, heavy rainfall, lots of lightning in spots too. By 9, 10 o'clock, still the risk of strong thunderstorms across eastern Ohio here, across Mahoning, Columbiana counties, right into western Pennsylvania. But by 3 o'clock in the morning, that threat's gone. Just some isolated showers and cooler temperatures moving in to start our day tomorrow morning. As you wake up with Rich Morgan at 6 o'clock in the morning, we'll be in the 60s and only a small risk for a shower as we go through the day tomorrow. A very tiny risk for a rumble of thunder as that cool air slides in into tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures stay cool for us into our Tuesday night and right into Wednesday. In fact, cooler temperatures will be the story, at least for 2 or 3 days. We start to warm up again by the weekend. Tonight, 65, scattered storms, some strong this evening. Watching them closely. If you have plans this evening, be prepared, especially after 7 o'clock. That chance of showers and storms will increase for us. 75 tomorrow, partly sunny skies, small chance for a thunderstorm. A big part of tomorrow will try to stay dry, just cooler. And I know you're probably noticing your sinuses going up. Yes, ragweed getting bad, and it sticks around. That pollen tracker will stay high on those weed pollens as we go through the next several days. Looking at the next 7 days, temperatures cool for a few. Wednesday and Thursday, 72 Wednesday. Thursday, a high of 78. Only a tiny risk for an isolated shower on Wednesday. Again, by Friday, especially in the afternoon, upper 70s, back into the 80s this weekend. And the sunshine returns too. It looks like we'll try to put together another dry streak as we go into the weekend. So if you don't see much rainfall tonight, the risk is decreasing again as we go toward the weekend.
Sounds nice. Just have that little bit of a dip and then we'll head right back up.
That's right. Yeah. Summer's not over yet.
Not